guys, we are back in our video, and today we are going to be playing cool math games. Let's get into it. So, we are going to start with Hangman, because no one hates Hangman. Am I right? No, I'm not right. Okay, let's play Hangman. Let's do easy. Let's go. Okay, toys and games. Let's try A. Okay. C? Nope. B? Bear. We got bear, guys. Oh no. I can. Nah. What else goes well? Heavy? No, that would not go well. Why am I so stupid? Okay, guys, this sucks. We have 2 more things left. I was gonna say yes. Last one, guys. Please work. Please work. Okay, I'm gonna say P. If I don't get this right, pad. Ooh. Is there an I? Padding. G? Did I write a G yet? Padding. In Paddington Bear. How do you spell Paddington? Paddington. Let's get it! Let's go! Let's go! History. Okay, let's start with A. You know the A's. B. E. N. Of course it's not. Oof. Ooh. W. Shing. Washington. Boo. What? Okay. Last letter, guys. We got this. Okay, dude, we messed this up. We have to get this. Let's see. Powers. You guys are probably screaming at me. No! Booker T. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Phrases. N. Okay. Nope. Oof. Oh my god. Bear. Yeah. Plain and simple. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Famous brands. Okay, what companies? Famous brands. I'm totally not doing this. That starts with, whoops. Excuse me. Okay, this is not gonna help. Definitely not. Okay, L. Okay, guys, we have to get this dude. Nope. Last one. We're screwed. I can't think of anything. Oh my god. We just got swallowed. Are you kidding me? Okay, I thought it was gonna be Christmas, but... And... Oh no. Yeah, we're dead. Cause I'm so stupid. Okay. Success and okay, guys, we getting this. Okay, failure. So that's an R. Let's get it. Okay, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.